Hey everyone, today we're making Badam Kesar or Almond and Saffron Syrup. Now this is really refreshing. You can prepare the syrup and mix it with milk or almond milk or pistachio milk, and it's so refreshing in the hot months especially. It's easy to prepare and you can store it. So let's get started. For this, you need 2 teaspoons of saffron. Saffron is a powerful antioxidant and is said to improve mood and treat depressive symptoms. Can be quite pricey, but we do need 2 teaspoons for this recipe. If you add less, you'll just have a fainter scent of the saffron as well as the color. To the saffron, add half a cup of boiled water and set this aside to soak for at least 20 minutes. To a saucepan, add 2 cups of sugar as well as 4 cups of water. This is to make our sugar syrup. So we're just going to turn on the heat, mix it well, and then we're going to add 2 cups of ground almond. Almonds are great for shiny hair, better digestion, and smooth skin. And just like the saffron, they're packed with antioxidants. So ground almond or almond flour or almond meal is readily available in the supermarkets. If you don't have it, you can blanch your own almonds and peel them and leave them to dry and then grind them to a fine powder. So we're going to add the ground almond and then we're going to let it boil. Once it boils, reduce the heat to a low simmer because it will boil over otherwise. We're also going to add 8 green cardamom pods. We're just going to pound them lightly to expose the seeds. Add this as well. And then we're going to add the soaked saffron. You can see the nice rich color has developed. And now we're going to simmer this on a low heat, stirring occasionally for 30 minutes. You will need to keep the heat on low and stir occasionally to prevent boiling over. After half an hour, you can see it has reduced in volume. At this stage, you can taste, and if you like, you can add half a teaspoon of almond extract. Make sure you're not using the perfumey type of almond essence and use a good almond extract. This is optional. It adds a stronger almond essence to the syrup, but not everyone likes the flavor of almond extract, so this is optional. Once it's thickened to this consistency, you can just cool it and then pour it into sterilized bottles. It makes 1 large bottle of this concentrate. And for one regular glass, you will only need 2 tablespoons of this syrup. You can leave this at room temperature. After sitting a while, you might see that the almond floats up to the top, leaving more liquid on the bottom. You just need to stir it with a tall spoon. And to serve, just add about 2 tablespoons per glass. Here I'm using a large glass, so I'm using a bit more of the syrup, and then top it up with chilled milk or almond milk, or I personally like pistachio milk. Don't forget the ice cubes. I didn't have any today to show you, but the ice makes it all the more refreshing. I hope you try the recipe and let me know if you do. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Bye.